Are you ready for this? This is going to be the most valuable, in-depth dropshipping video that I've done ever. We're going to go step by step as to how you can start a dropshipping business today. I'm really excited about this video because I've made quite a few different dropshipping videos in which I tried different product research methods, revealed the best-selling items on eBay, but I don't think I've ever actually explained in really simple terms how someone can start their own dropshipping business from scratch with minimum investment, and in this video, I'll even throw in some case studies. In Zeek, we've helped over 20,000 sellers to set up this kind of business that we are actually talking about here, and they were able to make sales when they launched their store. So everything in this video and everything that I'm talking about is up to date and should work similarly for the foreseeable future. So let's not waste any more time and jump straight into what AliExpress to eBay dropshipping is and clear up some misconceptions people may have. What is dropshipping? AliExpress eBay dropshipping is a business in which you find a product on a Chinese website called AliExpress. There are other websites you can turn to, but AliExpress is the biggest and the most popular one. For example, you find this portable crib diaper bag that costs $56.99 on eBay, and you find the same one on AliExpress but cheaper. This means you have found your product. Your next step is to head over to eBay, which is the second biggest marketplace worldwide with over 180 million active buyers. You create a store on eBay in which you sell this portable crib diaper bag for a higher price than the price on AliExpress, and if possible, a lower price than your competition on eBay. Let's say you sell it for $56.50. Now, we will get into more details later, but the amazing thing about eBay is you do not need to do any advertising. Instead, just do your research and SEO optimization to get the traffic to your store. Once you get the traffic and someone comes in and orders this product from your store, they give you $56.50, as well as the shipping information. You take that and head over to AliExpress, where you proceed to order this product directly to your customer's address for $30. And just like that, your customer paid you $56.50. So after paying for the product, you're left with an $18 profit for basically being the middleman and marketing the product. Once you find out that this product is actually selling, then you can sell more similar products and grow your store in a successful product's niche. I've had multiple stores that I was able to scale into the thousands and hundreds of thousands. So don't worry, you're not doing all of this for $18. It's a scalable business. So that's the overall summary. It seems like an easy concept, but honestly, once you get into it, you might run into some difficulties. So before you go out there, you're going to need to know a few more things to do this successfully. There are 4 pillars to a successful dropshipping business. So we'll break this down into 4 sections. Pillar 1 is your products. Pillar 2 is your store. Pillar 3 is how you optimize your listings, title, and price. Pillar 4 is customer service and store management. So let's start with the first pillar, your products. Arguably, one of the most important parts. If your product sucks, and there's no demand for this product on eBay, you won't get very far. With eBay dropshipping, you're usually selling stuff with low competition and high demand, where the price on eBay is higher than the price on AliExpress. And like this, you are able to get traffic and sell it right there on the spot with profit. It also helps to start with products that have really low competition. I would say no more than 5 competitors selling this specific product. So let's go ahead and take a look at this product. It has only 5 competitors who sell it. And as you can see here on AliExpress, based on their price, we can sell it with a better price than our competitors on eBay. This way, you're 99% guaranteed to sell the product if you list it for a cheaper price. Now, it is really important to understand that it does not matter what product you think will sell well. Your opinion has to rely on data and not on emotion. The biggest mistake dropshippers make is selling things they like instead of selling products with the right statistics. You will find it surprising to see what products were at one point actually selling well, such as these. And I'm not saying you should sell any of these products right now, but these products were at one point or another hot selling products, and it should give you a better idea of what really works if you haven't had any success with dropshipping. So if you're trying dropshipping for the first time, I would recommend not reinventing the wheel or trying to find brand new untapped products, and avoid being the one who starts the trend at the beginning. Instead, I would hop on a product that is doing well. You can search competitors on eBay and find current ones that are performing well and see the products they're selling. Easiest way of finding competitors is using tools like Zeek Analytics, where you can analyze any competitor on eBay and see their best selling items. So do a lot of research. Okay, so I'm not going to spend too long on this part, but you basically have to create a store. But make it look like a store that doesn't belong to a dropshipper. All dropshippers use the same tools for listing their products. These tools give the same listing template to everyone, and when you're using it as well, you just look the same as all the other dropshippers do on eBay. There are cheap solutions for that, and it is look for eBay templates for sale on eBay. There are sellers on eBay that sell unique design templates, and they can even implement it for you. All you need to do is search eBay listing template on eBay and contact the seller, asking him if he can install the template for you after the purchase. Note that you should never give your eBay store credentials, because they can implement the template using TeamViewer, for example. Picking a name which sounds like a real brand and not something like Best Deals is also important for setting yourself apart from your competitors and helping you make your store look like a brand. So think about it before you rush with naming your store. Another very powerful tip is to work with organized categories. Create SEO categories with relevant products. This way you will get more traffic and more sales by creating cross sales on your listings. Once you have enough products, you should upgrade your free store to store subscription. This will lower your cost on eBay, but make sure to do it when you go above the free listing limits so it makes sense. Pillar 3, optimize your listings on eBay. Very important. Your listing optimization is the first thing the eBay algorithm sees in regards to your products. The thing that gets your products to rank on the first page of the eBay search results and brings buyers to your store and can make or break your whole dropshipping business. You can't just copy and paste a competitor's product, upload it to your store, and expect to make money. A little janky listing won't cut it either. So, how do you create a good listing? First off, you need to see how you outrank your competitor. At what price is the product selling? What is the title and description that they use, and how fast is their shipping? Most beginners will start off scouring the competitors, copying and pasting their products without even seeing if they can be better than them. You don't want to work like this. With custom original listings, you'll be able to scale things and really build something more sustainable. You constantly want to be listing new items if you want to keep your store selling for longer than a month or two, since competitors quickly get over your listings and try to undercut your prices. So to sum up, this important pillar here are the things you must do to optimize your listings. Make sure your selling price is competitive or at least the same as your competitors. Always tweak the title of the best-selling competitors. This is how you can use the winning title to your advantage but still be unique. Item specific is super important. Fill all the relevant information you have about the product. Make clean and easy to read descriptions. Make sure it's not too overloaded with HTML so eBay's algorithm can read it faster. Try to have better shipping and return policies that of your competitor. Pillar 4, customer service and your seller level. Now, if you have those last 3 pillars on lock, this last part should not be too difficult, although it will take some practice and experience. It is important to remember that you're selling inside of eBay. That means you have to consider the eBay selling policies and do your best to comply with them. So let's go over a few basic ones. eBay is a platform for buyers, so satisfying the buyers is the first priority for eBay. This is why keeping the communication with our buyers on a top level is crucial. If we want to have a long-term sustainable business on eBay, we have to make sure our customers are satisfied. Otherwise, you can get your store suspended. Another important policy is to ship your products on time. So make sure to set up your shipping policies according to your suppliers. For AliExpress, it's 3 days handling time and standard shipping from China. You'll find more details about it in our free dropshipping course, and you can find the link here. It's also very important to respond to cases on time. There are multiple cases such as item not received, item not as described, and return cases. If you do not respond within a time frame, you'll get a defect on your seller account. This will downrank your listings and put your account at risk. In conclusion, those are the main 4 pillars summarized. Hopefully this gives you a good idea of how you can start dropshipping on eBay. You probably want to do more research on all of these things separately. This is kind of just the overview, but there's plenty of videos only regarding specific topics. And we even have a free course linked below where we break down everything that we do to start eBay stores in detail. So dropshipping is not dead. People are still buying stuff online for sure. All these principles can be applied to an in-house brand or even to dropship from a different source. So dropshipping as a whole is not really going anywhere, but that's eBay, AliExpress dropshipping for you. This is exactly how I started. I personally know people who have had success with it for the first time, and I really hope the same goes for you. Remember, if you have any questions regarding this topic, please leave them down below in the comment section. It's our pleasure to help you in any way that we can. Good luck.